Hello, and welcome to the Build Your First Website tutorial series, presented to you by BluFo Innovations. At BluFo, we provide custom software solutions for small to medium-sized businesses. This includes websites. My name is Al. I am a web developer and software engineer at BluFo Innovations. I will be taking you step by step along this journey to build your very first website from scratch. This tutorial series is great for anyone interested in web development and requires no prior experience. It's a great starting place if you want to jumpstart a career in web development, if you want to learn how to write code, or if you're just curious about how websites work. The goal of this series is to teach you the absolute fundamentals of web development, not just show you, but actually teach you. You'll learn the basics, which you can then go build upon. This series will cover 3 programming languages: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, the pillars of website development. Upon completion of this series, you will have a thorough understanding of the role that each of these languages play, their uses, and how to perform basic operations using each one. Beyond just understanding, you should also have all of the tools you need to go build your own basic websites. To better understand how websites are constructed using these languages, we'll use an analogy: the human body. Imagine for a moment that we're building a human body in a laboratory. We'd probably start with a skeleton. That's our HTML. Hypertext Markup Language, or more commonly HTML, is going to create the frame that the rest of our site is built upon. Our tutorials will cover how to create HTML elements, modify them, and to structure an HTML page. We'll create a web page with a header, footer, and main sections. Then we will move on to the next part of our construction: styling. With cascading style sheets, or CSS, we will add style to our website. Following the human body analogy, this is a step where we add skin, a face, hair, eyes, etc. It's how we make our website unique and give it character. This is your opportunity to be creative and have fun. Then lastly, we'll need to bring our body to life. Think of JavaScript like the brains of our body. This will give the website behavior with dynamic actions and logic. With JavaScript, users will not only be able to see your website, but they'll also be able to interact with it. As we progress through the series, I will share useful resources in the video descriptions. I encourage you to use these for your own development. I also encourage you to ask questions in the comments, and we'll do our best to respond to them. Remember, this is an absolute beginner's tutorial. If you're interested in learning more advanced techniques, then keep your eyes peeled for future BluFo tutorials. Now I am excited to get started. I hope you are as well. When you're ready to start building your very first website, proceed to the next video and let's learn about HTML.